Hello there. Looks like you want to learn the web designing or HTML, CSS, or JavaScript. So in this video, I'm going to tell you four top free websites from where you can get some HTML, CSS, JavaScript, or the web designing or the web development skills. So the first website is the W3 Schools. The link is in the description. If you go down, you will see that they have the HTML course which is free of cost, and then they have CSS, JavaScript, Python, SQL, and all the other courses. So all these courses are free of cost. They also have the try to yourself button. So on each code you can just click on this button and you can try your code. So if I open this up, HTML link, um, so here's some code and here's the output. So you can just play with this code and you can learn online. So you don't have to install any software for that. So the second website is web.dev. So this is also a free website from where you can learn your online skills, and there are series of courses which you can just choose and get started. Third website is tutorials point. Here this website is also free, and on the left hand side you can see all the topics for HTML, and there are also a few more tutorials like CSS, JavaScript on this website. The fourth website is this one. So the link is in the description. You can just find your perfect course here. Either you want to learn Ruby on Rails, JavaScript, or any other course, you can just go ahead and get your course online.